fight to the death.
So how many people did you kill before I got here?
I didn't have a choice.
You always have a choice.
I am done wasting my time fighting weaklings. Prove you are worthy of my life.
I understand you want to kill me, but I can't let you do that.
What makes you think you deserve to live?
I won't die as the man that I was.
You don't get to walk away from what you did. The inner demons, devil's breath, the city hall bombing.
Don't recount my sins to me. I know what I've done.
You have no idea! Did Craven bring you here, or was this voluntary?
Save your superiority complex. We're both in this arena.
Looks like serving time didn't change you at all.
You're wrong.
Yes! We awakened something in this brother, and you in him. Show me more! Well done!
You'll never defeat me! Spider-Man doesn't kill.
You never fought this one. Fast! I need to find an opening. No! The venom's not working. Move! Come on! Just need an opening. No more negative energy! My powers are back.
There! Now, show us your full strength!
Do you feel any regret for what you've done?
Whatever I did to you in the past, it's never been personal.
I'm sure to you it wasn't.
What do you want? An apology?
I want you to feel even half the pain you caused me. You stay down!
Enough of this! Back off!
Yes! Finally! A worthy battle!
That negative energy will mess me up!
Watch him carefully, Spider. He will take what is yours.
I don't want to have to kill you!
Wow! Maybe you have changed!
Enough
This is gonna be the last time you hurt anybody!
You're a cliche! At least the other spider has a man behind the mask!
You don't know anything about me! Yes! Venom's back online.
His power over you has faded. Take back control.
Let's do this my way.
Where are you?
No way. This is you.
I need to keep my head in the game. I'm not really here right now. None of this is real.
What's more real than fear?
What are you doing to me?
Taking a look into your soul, I see a boy terrified of being alone, failing his family.
Keep talking! You're not getting away from me! You can't hurt me!
Everyone has a breaking point. Even Spider-Man. It's just a matter of finding it. And I have all the time in the world to dig into you.
Get out of my head, man!
Out of your head. But there's so much to see in you. So much dread. So much pain. So much doubt.
I'm not listening.
You're strong. But no one is stronger than themselves.
Enough, Lee! Where is he?
Miles. Pete? You don't get it. I mean, I tried. I tried to teach you, to make you into a hero. I knew you'd always be second best, but... all you've ever done is let people down. Put people in danger. It's not Spider-Man. Spider-Man helps people. You just hurt them.
It's not true.
Hey, whoa, don't shoot the messenger here. It's not even me you're letting down. It's your dad.
Oh!
So, your name is Miles. Who are you really, Miles?
Get down here, Lee!
Let's dig deeper.
Fight me, man! You want to end this? Let's fight!
What the hell, Miles?
I know this is you, Lee!
Yeah, of course it is. I'm always here for you. I do everything for you.
I'm not listening!
Yeah, I'm not surprised you'd say that. Because all that matters is you, right? All you do is take. You put me in danger. You put Haley in danger. And for what? What do we get?
I know I'm...
Left behind. That's all we get. Or we end up like Finn.
Kinky! Kinky!
I know I said it wasn't your fault, but... I guess I just mostly felt bad for you. I didn't want you to feel responsible. Especially after...
Go!
Especially after your...
Shut up!
This ends when you wanted to, Miles. You need to let me in eventually. And until then, struggle.
Mijo. No, where are you?
No. I'm here, Mom.
I can't do this anymore, Miles. You're always gone. Always in danger.
No.
You're going to get yourself killed.
Won't.
And then what? You can't win, Miles. I should never have let you try. All it's ever done is make me more alone. Put me in more danger.
No. I want to protect you. I will.
Heard that before.
Mean it.
Not from you. On the day he died,
Mom.
your father told me, just that morning, that everything he does...
No. No, no, no.
Miles, please. I love you.
It's enough, Lee.
Miles.
I said that's enough!
You're right. It's more than enough. I have everything I need.
Stop.
Hey there, big man. Man, it feels good to see you. Lots changed since I left. You became a whole hero.
I couldn't save you. Or Finn. If Spider-Man can protect everyone, who will?
Come on now. You're more than just Spider-Man. You can try and hide behind that mask, but I know who you are. And what you stand for. I've been watching you.
You have?
And it hurts. What happened to the boy that I raised? You're a coward. Stain of our family.
You don't mean that!
I do. We all do. You're a failure, Miles. Always will be.
No! You never say that! None of you would! I'm not...
It's time to give up. Give up, Miles.
No. Give up! I won't.
Give up. Give up.
Give up.
You're done, Lee. I'm not doing this anymore. You wanna know who I am? I'm the kid whose dad you killed at City Hall!
What?
He died because you decided your problems were more important than all of those people's lives. Jefferson Davis was a hero who saved people from you.
Miles.
No. I'm done listening to you. Losing my dad? It's not what's holding me back. I was the one doing that. But not anymore.
Do it. Please.
When you're out, find Spider-Man.
Do not let them escape!
Hey, got a report that Mr. Negative's near Feast in Chinatown. But nothing from Miles. You think?
Miles is fine.
We're out looking for him now. Find Lee. Miles has to be there too. It has to be.
I'll go check it out. If he so much as laid a hand on Miles!
Hello? It's Dr. Connors. Sorry, I asked Harry for your number. Please, come back to the lab. We need to remove the symbiote. The hold that it's already taking on your mind, it's only going to get worse.
I'm busy. No one listens.
I left the best parts of me here. I'm not looking for a fight. Craven has the other Spider-Man trapped in an old mansion east of the city. He saved me. Told me to find you. This was the only way I knew how. I owe him my life. And much more. If we hurry...
No. You've done enough.
You should be proud of him. He reminds me of you.
Reminds him of me. He doesn't even know me. Or Miles. A little bit of help, now all of a sudden he's a good guy. As soon as Miles is safe, Lee's going back in a cell. Not now, MJ. Is Spider-Man doing more harm than good? How about now? Now who needs the old Spider-Man? What's so great about the new Spider-Man anyway? He can't even stop some hunters. They destroyed the EMF. Destroyed my life. I'm going to lose May's house because of them and... Craven.
Kill Craven.
I wonder if the little spider will survive.
Where is he? Where is Spider-Man?
Find him yourself! Stay focused! Fight!
Give it right back! Switch your position! Tell me where he is!
Closer than you think.
Tell me!
Avoid his web!
Where is Spider-Man?
I'm assured that material is unbreakable. But I believe anything can be broken. You still hold back.
Maybe
You lack motivation.
now you're in for it.
Yes. There you are.
Let us make this a glorious ending! You destroyed my city! Took the lives of so many people!
That was their fate, just as this is ours.
Need more distance! Your followers treat you like some kind of god! But you're just a dying old man looking for a way out!
So you know then? Then you know I will not die in a sick bed. Only an equal may taste my last breath. Rip me apart and parade your achievement through the streets. Gorgeous.
I hope you're enjoying this. Tonight won't end well for you.
I study all of my prey. You are agile, intelligent, vulnerable to emotion. So am I. Do not let the taste of power get to your head. Am I too quick for you? Show me what you are capable of! Stop hiding!
I'll show you what I can do!
Bring it out! Why do you hide your strength from me? You call me a dying old man, and yet here I am free. Shut up! Come, crush my bones into powder! Leave my body for the maggots and the field mice! Shut up! I'll tear you limb from limb! Do it! Or I will gut you and mount you on my wall! To me! Dogs! Since you cannot see, kill them. I thought you'd make a good meal for them. So many years, I've waited for a predator capable of defeating me. Enough talking! And then I found you. And you'll regret that! No, I won't. I will not let God decide my fate! You can't hide from me! Come, to me! But you still hold back. Kill or be killed. Stop! No.
Sorry about that. It's just me. You almost killed him, man! What are you doing?
You're in the way! You're in the way, Miles!
Always in the way.
I could have fixed everything!
How? By strangling him? That's not what we do!
Don't try to mentor me! You're the one running away from your problems! You're the one hell-bent on revenge!
Revenge? All I wanted was to protect my family! Protect you!
You're not better than me!
I'm not saying that! You're stronger than some soup, Pete! Don't listen to it!
And what? Listen to you?
Yes!
Listen to me! What are you so afraid of?
I need this suit. It makes me a better Spider-Man. You just want it for yourself.
All I want is to save you!
I'm the hero. I don't get saved. Why are you doing this? I made you. You owe me.
I know you don't mean that!
All I wanted was to save everyone. MJ, May. Now the city thinks that I'm the problem.
You think I'm the problem?
But I'm not anymore.
I am the solution.
I can't let this go. I'm finally everything everyone needs me to be.
Yeah? You don't even answer my calls anymore, man! And what about MJ? You could have killed her! I know you're hurting, Pete, but you're better than this!
I know, but... No.
People in my life, they keep dying. I blame myself for that. They needed a hero, and if I thought some suit could save them, maybe I'd be in your shoes now. But this kind of power is the reason they're gone. Not you, not me.
Shut up! You can't hide from me, Miles!
We've got to be stronger than that. time, you have to save yourself. You will. I'm not losing you, Pete. Pete, come on, man. Just focus on me. Come on! You're stronger than this. You hear me?
Come on, let's move. These last few days... Miles, I'm sorry. Thank you. For everything.
It's what Spider-Man do.
Spider-Man didn't save me back there. Miles did.
What now?
I have to talk to Dr. Connors. He said he knows how to destroy it.
Wait, what about Harry? Doesn't he kind of need it?
His dad is working on another cure. One that doesn't involve aliens.
You know, if you need me, I'm just a call away. Well, once I let my mom know this, she still has a son.
I know.
Just glad to have you back, man.
Dr. Connors, I got the suit off. It's contained, but what do I do now?
Bring it to Oscorp Tower. There's a tank there that will subdue it. I have to prep a few things first, but I'll let you know when I'm on my way. One thing before we meet. Now that the symbiote is off of you, how are you feeling?
Fine. Relieved that it's over. Ashamed at what I did.
It's not your fault. There's still so much we don't know. Just tell me right away if you feel any changes in mood, behavior...
But it's off me. I'm cured, right?
Very likely. Yes. Just do your best to keep that thing contained.
Copy that! Okay. I've been ignoring the city for too long. A budding photographer needs help? My people! So sorry, gotta put you on hold.
Hey, I've got some news on our mysterious bots. This third-party ping is coming from far away. Like, millions of miles far.
Like, from space? No, they must be scrambling their location or something.
Yeah. I think I can get to the source if you find just a few more. Whoever's doing this, I want to shake their hand.